I'd like to welcome Dr. Rahul Taneja. His talk is a part of Innovation Week, which we celebrate every year. And Innovation Day particularly coincides with our Chancellor's birthday. So we have quite many activities. And on 28th next week, we'll have whole day activities in terms of festivity and presentations and so on and so forth. So here for students, we wanted them to expose to your innovations, of course, and then how important it is to have IPR information. So in that regard, your talk becomes very relevant. And it is good to know from the beginning what are the limits and what are the parameters which are required to protect your innovation. So Rahulji, we are looking forward for your talk, and I'm sure our students will be excited, and at the same time they might have many questions. So please, Ginny.
So before we begin with the talk, I would like to introduce Sir to Amity University, Haryana. So Dr. Rahul Taneja is working as a scientist at Patent Information Center, Intellectual Property Facilitation Center for MSMEs, Haryana State Council for Science and Technology, Department of Science and Technology, Government of Haryana at Panchkula. He's a Masters of Intellectual Property Law, Masters of Pharmacy, Masters of Business Administration. He has also done a PhD in IPR and patent practices, a trainer of World Intellectual Property Organization, and a postgraduate diploma in drug regulatory affairs and clinical trials. He is currently working as a scientist at the Council for Science and Technology and facilitates the micro, small, and medium enterprises of Haryana and Chandigarh for IPR related issues. He is also promoting and facilitating the research scholars, doctors, and scientists for protection of IPR and to protect their invention and innovation. He has also delivered 3 times live broadcasting on news channels to the Enterprise of Haryana cluster and 2 radio talks. He has his own intellectual property in which 4 copyrights and 2 industrial designs and 3 patents filed in his own credibility. He has also awarded as significant contribution in healthcare by All India Institute of Medical Sciences. He has 15 journal publications on various IPR issues and concepts, besides articles in various newspapers and newsletters. He has already delivered more than 150 specialized lectures in various national and international conferences and training programs on IPR in various institutions and industrial associations, including Ministry of MSMEs, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Kurukshetra University, Guru Jamshedpur University, Delhi University, National Institute of Technology, Punjab University, ITM University, and many more names. So I would like to invite Dr. Rahul Taneja for his talk on webinar on IPRs. Thank you, sir, for coming here at Amity University, Haryana.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for the introduction. Thank you, Professor Rajendra Prasad, sir, Dr. Singh, Dr. Pandey, and Dr. Ginny, ma'am, and other faculty members. So today I will discuss about intellectual property rights, what is the role of intellectual property rights, and where is our country stand in the field of intellectual property rights, and what is the our rank in Global Innovation Index, where we stand, and what is the basic need of intellectual property rights, because we are talking about the IPR waiver schemes to the United States of America regarding corona vaccine, etc. So we will discuss all the parameters of intellectual property rights in today's session. Intellectual means creation of human minds. प्रॉपर्टी जो आपकी अपनी होती है, राइट्स उसके ऊपर अधिकार दिए जाते हैं. देयर आर 2 टाइप ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज, टेंजिबल प्रॉपर्टीज एंड इंटेंजिबल प्रॉपर्टीज. टेंजिबल प्रॉपर्टीज, आपके पास अपनी गाड़ी है, बंगला है, मकान है, यू हैव सम स्पेसिफिक राइट्स, आप अपनी मर्जी से उसे बेच भी सकते हैं, किराए पे भी दे सकते हैं, इवन यू कैन डिस्ट्रॉय देम. यू हैव फुल राइट्स ऑन योर टेंजिबल प्रॉपर्टी. Do you have full rights on your tangible property? No, you don't have full rights on your tangible property. Suppose गवर्नमेंट्स आपको अगर किसी व्हीकल के लिए राइट्स देती है, तो आपको पास 15 इयर्स के लिए राइट्स हैं, आप उसको रन कर सकते हैं. अगर आपके पास 2 व्हीलर है, then you can run with by 2 person only. If you have a 4 wheelers, then you can run by only 4 to 5 people only. आप उसके अंदर ज्यादा लोगों को नहीं बिठा सकते, और आपको 15 इयर्स के बाद अपने व्हीकल्स को रिन्यू करवाना पड़ता है. सिमिलरली इफ यू हैव सम टेंजिबल प्रॉपर्टी, लाइक आपके पास अपना कोई हाउस है, तो आपको एक लिमिटेड एरिया में ही कंस्ट्रक्शन अलाउड होती है, और लिमिटेड फ्लोर्स के साथ ही आप उसको कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं. सिमिलरली वी हैव इंटेंजिबल एसेट्स, हमारी सोच और हमारी क्रिएटिविटी. वो कुछ भी हो सकती है, some are scientists, some are painter, some are designers, some are musician, some are technocrats. कोई पोएम लिखता है, कोई कविता लिखता है, कोई गाना गाता है. We can protect every aspects of intellectual property rights with the help of IPRs. We have to think how to protect with the which parameters of the intellectual assets. There are so many forms of the intellectual assets. So Government of India, with the help of TRIPS, trade related aspects of intellectual property rights, they have developed few parameters, few acts like patent, trademark, industrial designs, geographical indication, protection of new plant varieties, trade secrets, layout design. So these parameters is basically to protect the intellectual assets of human mind. Patent is for the technology protection, industrial design to protect the outer appearance of the device, how to protect the outer appearance of the device. But this is not protect the technical feature. For the technical protection, you have to apply for the patent application. Trademark basically to protect the brand, logo, outer appearance of the any shape of the goods with the help of trademarks. Geographical indication is applied for the to protect the particular region of particular area of the region of which is manufactured goods, agriculture goods, and horticulture by the representing this particular area of that particular regions. Layer designs for the integrated services, trade secrets is to protect the undisclosed information, and new plant varieties for that to protect the varieties of the plants. And copyright is last for the to protect musical work, artistic work, dramatic work, to protect the copyright by the copyright protections. Government of India has launched National IPR policy in 2016 with the title Creative India, Innovative India, Rachanatmak Bharat, Abhinav Bharat, in which they have basically eight objectives in which to create the IPR awareness among the students, to MSMEs and doctors, scientists, how to protect our intellectual property rights, to create awareness in our country. This is the first objective of the National IPR policy 2016. Second is the generation of intellectual property rights, to stimulate the generation of intellectual property rights. And third one is the legal and legislative frameworks to have the strong and effective IPR law, which balance the interest of right owners with larger public interest. Fourth one is the administration, to modernize the strengthen services oriented IPR administration. Like they are providing a trademark now in within 6 months. When you're going to apply trademark, you will get a rights in 6 months. Even you get a patent now within 1 year from the date of the filing, if you are submitting all the application on the time. Fifth one is the commercialization of intellectual property right. How to commercialize your intellectual property right. What is the basic need to protect the commercialization? Because if you want to protect our technology across the world, then you have to think how to commercialize the intellectual property rights. Enforcement, human capital development. So this is 7 basic IPR objectives of the National IPR policy, which is launched in 2016. What is the need of IPR protection? To protect the technology of our country, how to represent our country in the field of innovations and invention. First one is the patent. What is the patent? Patent is exclusive rights granted for an invention, which is a product or process. You can protect any product as well as process. If you get a new technical solution of the it can be a product, it can be a process. You can protect either of the final form of the product, even you can protect the process of the that manufacturing process of the product also. You will get a monopoly rights from the date of filing that nobody can use your invention without your permission. Nobody can sell your invention without your permission. You will get monopoly rights for 20 years from the date of filing. Suppose if you are going to file a patent application from 28th September 2021, then you will get a right for the 20 years, for the next 20 years. After 20 years, your patent will be available at the public domain at free of cost. Anybody can use your invention after the 20 years. This is called the generic products. Like most of the generic medicines are sold after the expiration of the expiry of the patent rights. What is the criteria of the patentability? There are 3 criteria: novelty, non-obvious, and industrial applicability. So this is the basic grassroots of the patent act, like how to protect your invention and what is the basic criteria of the patentability. Novelty means your invention cannot be published anywhere in the world before the filing of the patent application. Means you cannot publish your invention in the cannot disclose to the public domain in any journal, in any magazine, in any conferences, in any written materials to the public. If it is already available in the public domain, then your patent will not be granted either submitted by you or even by another persons. Then your patent will not be granted as facts. Second one is must have some inventive step. Your invention must have technical enhancement. And must be economical significance to the person or both. It depends on the invention step. Your invention must have some inventive step in your invention. If it does not have an inventive step, then your patent will not be granted. Suppose if your invention is obvious, then obvious things cannot be granted. So your invention must be non-obvious in nature. If your invention is non-obvious in nature, then your patent will be easily granted. It is not necessary your invention must be complex or complicated. Even you will get a right for the simple things also. You have to think about how to file a patent application, how to create a novelty, and how to generate an inventive step on your invention. Either it is in simple step, but it fulfills the basic criteria of the patentability. Third one is the industrial applicability. Your invention must have capable of being made or used in any kind of industry. Suppose if that thing is not used in the industry, that thing cannot be granted. That thing cannot be granted. Even if it is against our morality, against our the system and public order, then your invention will not be granted. Like suppose if you are thinking like if you are finding new some gambling machine and you are going to file a patent application of new gambling machine, then your patent will not be granted. But if it is a playing game, there's a lot of difference between playing game and gambling machine. Gambling machine cannot be granted, but you can apply for the patent application for the playing game also. Commercialization of intellectual property right? I think most of the people file patent application to the patent office, but they forget to file the commercialization of your intellectual property right? Everybody has some knowledge. They have a Saraswati Mata. But if you want to convert it to Lakshmi Mata, then you have to think about how to convert Lakshmi Mata to Saraswati Mata to Lakshmi Mata. So you have to think about that, because if you are not able to commercialize your product, then your product is not get a proper evaluations, not get a proper rights on your patent rights. Grant of the patents. Patents have the territorial rights. If you are going to file application in India, then your right is limited only to the India. Suppose if you want to file a patent application outside the India, suppose if you are going to file a patent application in United States of America, Japan, any other country, then you have to think about how to file a patent application. You can file a patent application by two ways. Either you can apply directly to that country, or you can submit patent application by the PCT. What is the PCT? PCT is a patent cooperation treaty by which you can file a patent application in multiple countries. Suppose if you are going, PCT is like a single window system. It is just forwarding your application to that concerned country in which you are going to file a patent application. Suppose, but that is not a granting authority. That must be clear. PCT is not a granting authority. It is just a single window system by which you can file a patent application in multiple countries. Even they will help you for the patent searching, patent drafting, patent filing. But ultimately, the last decision will be taken by that country in which you are going to file a patent application. Foreigner can also apply for the patent application. There are 4 official countries. Suppose if you are going to file a patent application from Haryana, Punjab, and Himachal, then you can approach Patent Office Delhi. For Southern, Patent Office Chennai. For Western, Patent Office Mumbai, and rest of India, Kolkata. And foreign application depend on the services provided by the applicant or patent agent. That depends on that is for the only foreign applicant. So suppose if you are going to file a patent application from Haryana, Punjab, and Himachal, then your patent application will be considered by the Patent Office Delhi. How to file a patent application? Most of the time, people think that if it is necessary to require a patent agent for the filing of the patent application. No, it is not necessary. You can also submit your patent application directly to the patent office. You can submit your patent application by 3 ways. Either you can submit your patent application through online mode, through post, or you can submit by hand also. You will get a receipt after the submission of your patent application at the patent office desk. You will immediately get a patent application number at the patent office website. Now we will discuss about section 3 and section 4. Section 3 and section 4, basically, this is the important aspects of the Patent Act, and it will consider all the exclusion of the Patent Act. Means that thing cannot be filed for the patent application. All the things are covered into the section 3 and section 4. Section 3 covers about section 3 is the frivolous invention and invention contrary to well-established natural law. Like those machine gives more than 100% performance, like perpetual machines. That thing cannot be filed for the patent application. Section 3B, commercial exploitation or primary use of invention, which is against contrary to public order and morality, like gambling machine, device of house breaking. Such type of things cannot be filed for the patent application. Commercial exploitation or primary use of invention which causes prejudice to health, human, environment, to the health, human, animal, and plant type, to the environment also. Like this is the reason embryonic stem cell cannot be filed for the patent application. Gene cloning cannot be filed for the patent application. This is a major reason, because we cannot get what is the output of the dead products. So this is banned by the World Intellectual Property Organization as well as the World Trade Organization also. Section 3 is the mere discovery of scientific principle. As such, theory and abstract cannot be filed for the patent application, because this is a theory. This is not an invention. But if your invention based on some theory, then you can approach for the patent application. Suppose if you are developing some new machine which is based on the theory, the mechanism of that product you can file for the patent application. But as such, pure theory cannot be filed for the patent application. The reason is this, because this is not converted into the tangible form. And for the patent application, you must have some tangible form. Newton laws as such cannot be filed for the patent application. If you are saying that कि हम पेड़ के नीचे बैठे थे और एक सेब गिर गया, and this is the formula of the Newton's law, that this is good, this is a Newton formula, this we can say this is a discovery, and as a discovery cannot be filed for the patent application. And formula theories as such, this thing cannot be filed for the patent application. Discovery of microorganisms cannot be filed for the patent, because this is also available in the in natures and these things. But if you are develop some genetically modified microorganism, then you can approach for the patent application. Natural microorganisms cannot be filed for the patent application. Discovery of any living things, discovery of any living plant, any living substance occurring in the nature cannot be filed for the patent application. आप कहो कि मैं माउंट एवरेस्ट पे गया, वहाँ पे एक पेड़ लगा था, and I have found first time this type of plant and species. Can we get a patent right on plant on that plant? You cannot get a patent on that plant, because this is already available in the nature, and these things cannot be protected by the patent rights. But we can get a patent on the genetically modified microorganisms. Section 3D. This is very important for the pharmaceutical people. Mere discovery of a new form of a known substance which does not result in the enhancement of the known efficacy of that substance. Means just on the basis of the new, uses of the existing substance, patent will not be granted. Suppose अगर आपके पास एक already कोई medicament है, आपने just एक new use develop किया, on the basis of just of new use, patent will not be granted. Suppose आपके पास कोई एक already machines है, you have developed some new use of that machines. Like आपके पास कोई एक machine है जिससे आप कोई मिक्सर्स के लिए यूज होती है, उसके अंदर आप कुछ भी मिक्स कर सकते हैं. It is not necessary that is only for the fruit mixers. Mixer is doing their own work, and this is an obvious thing. So this is the reason obvious things cannot be filed for the patent application. For example, new use of aspirin for heart alignments, these things cannot be granted for the patent application. New use of neem, there are many uses of the neems, but on the basis of just new use of the neem, patent will not be granted. Suppose, but if you are developing some new manufacturing process of developing new type of paste by the neem, that thing can be filed for the patent application. But if you are claiming that you have developed new use of that substance which is already available in the literature, that thing will not be granted. So you can apply for the process also, but not for the uses of that product. Section 3E. Substance obtained by myriad admixtures resulting only in the aggregation of the property of the components. Suppose if you are two compounds, compound A which showing the analgesic activity and compound B which shows the antipyretic activity, and you combine both the compounds A and B. Now they are showing antipyretic activity as well as analgesic activity. So this is the reason, because it is not fulfill the criteria of non-obvious, because this is obvious things, and on the basis of obvious things, patent will not be granted. You have to develop. If suppose if you are adding some new ingredient, you are adding some new reactant, new reagent, then you can claim for the patent application. But just on the basis of new use of C components and the mirror mixture of the existing compound, patent will not be granted. Mirror arrangement, rearrangement, this thing cannot be filed for the patent application. Like a bucket fitted with torch and umbrella with fan, these type of things cannot be filed for the patent application. Method of agriculture and horticulture. This is the reason we can't get a monopoly rights for the method of agriculture or horticulture. The process used on the land, these things cannot be filed for the patent application. Like suppose आप कहते हैं कि हम इस तरीके से इसको फसल के एग्रीकल्चर करते हैं, horticulture करते हैं, इससे हमें ज्यादा उसकी आउटपुट्स मिलते हैं, but on the basis of that thing patent will not be granted. But if you are developing some new type of technology, if you are developing some new type of machines and agriculture equipments, then you can claim for the patent application, because agriculture instrument and agriculture equipments are not a obvious thing. You have developed some new mechanism, then you will get a patent rights for that. Similarly, in any process for medical, surgical, curative, prophylactic, diagnostic, therapeutic, or other treatments of human beings or similar treatments of animal, render them to free to the disease or increase their economic value. Like suppose if you are saying that removal of cancer tumor, can we get a patent on the process used for the removal of cancer tumor from the human body? Can you get a patent rights? No, you can't get a patent rights, because this is a surgical process. On patent will not be granted on surgical process, but you will get a patent rights on surgical instrument. The instrument used for removing the cancer tumor, you will get a rights, but the process used on the human body, patent will not be granted. Like suppose if you are saying that I have developed a new type of process to measuring the blood pressure, and if your machine is new and you are developing some new type of machine to measuring the blood pressure, but the mechanism working on the human body, that thing will not be granted. You will get a monopoly rights only on the machines, not the process used on the human body. So this is clear. This is clear because we can't get a monopoly right for the surgical processes, diagnostic processes, but we get a rights for the surgical apparatus only. Section 3J, plant and animal as such, whole plant cannot be get a for monopoly acts. But if you are developing some new type of plant and variety acts, you can apply for the plant and variety species, then you can apply by the plant and variety act. As such, plant and animal whole cannot be filed for the patent applications. लिटरेरी वर्क, ड्रामेटिक वर्क, म्यूजिकल वर्क, आर्टिस्टिक वर्क, आपने कोई पोएम लिखी, आपने कोई कविता लिखी, आपने कोई डिफरेंट टाइप की पेंटिंग बनाई, दिस इज आल्सो नॉट अ सब्जेक्ट मैटर ऑफ द पेंटिंग. द रीजन इज दिस बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट एन इन्वेंशन. एक पोएम लिखना दिस इज नॉट एन इन्वेंशन. एक गाना गाना दिस इज नॉट एन इन्वेंशन. एक नए टाइप का म्यूजिक कंपोज करना दिस इज नॉट एन इन्वेंशन because this is not an this is literary work, this is artistic work, this is a musical work. You will get a copyrights on that thing, not a patent rights, because this is maybe this is novel, but it not fulfill the criteria of inventive step. Maybe it is industrial applicability, but this is not fulfill the criteria. For the patent application, it must fulfill the criteria of novelty, inventive step, and industrial applicability. So this is the subject matter of the copyright protection scheme. Mental act, as such, mental act cannot be filed for the patent application. Some people says that I am perfect to do 100 operations in a one day for some type of disease and etc. Can we get a monopoly of such type of things? We can't apply for such type of things, and we can't get a monopoly for such type of things because this is a mental act. This is a techniques for this is we can't apply for the patent application. Scheme for learning a language, method for solving a crossword puzzle. This thing cannot be granted for the patent application. Spoken words, visual symbols, this is again this is not a subject matter of the patent rights. आपने कोई नया टाइप का ब्रांड डेवलप किया, आपने नई टाइप का लोगो डेवलप किया, दिस इज सब्जेक्ट मैटर ऑफ द trademarks because any brand and logo can be protected by the trademark. This is not an invention. आपने कोई brand डेवलप किया, this is not an invention, so we can't apply for the patent rights. For patent rights you must have some new inventions and that must fulfill the criteria of novelty. Traditional knowledge which is already available in the public domain, like जितने भी हमारे आयुर्वेद ऋग्वेद में सब चीजें लिखी हुई है, can we get a monopoly rights for such type of things? We can't get a monopoly rights for such type of things because this is already available in the public domain. So this is not fulfill the criteria of novelty. So when you are going to patent application, then you will get you will get a first examination report and all the literature given by the patent examiner in your first examination report that all things is covered in the public domain already. So you must be ensured that when you're going to file a patent application, that thing must not fulfill the criteria of obvious things, and it must fulfill the criteria of novelty also. Section 4, invention falling in section 21 of the Atomic Energy Act. Like this type of thing cannot be done, like compounds, like invention related to compounds of uranium, beryllium, thorium. This thing cannot be applied for the patent application. So in nutshell, few things cannot be filed for the patent application, like atomic energy, traditional knowledge, scientific principle, abstract theory, discovery of natural substance, mixture method of agriculture, mixture of known compounds. These things cannot be filed for the patent application. This is the trends of the patent application in India. In 2014-15, patent application filed approximate 42,000 per year. In 18 and 19, 50,000. And disposal, now you can see the disposal by the patent office. In 2014-15 is 14,000. In 2018-19 is 50,000. Now you can see how patent office now work. Like this is the administration of the patent office. Now you will get a patent rights in within 1 year from the date of the filing if you are submitting all the application on time, because most of the time people are not filing a proper first examination, not submitting a request for examination, even not applying for the early publication also. This is the reason to delay your patent application for the further consideration. This is the distribution of application category wise. How many patent applications by the Indian applicant and how many applications by the foreign resident applicant. So now you can see in 45,000 applications in 2016. Indian applicant is just 6,729, and you can see foreign applicant is 30,000. You can see how there's a lot of difference. There's a lot of gap in national applicant and non-resident applicants. This is the top 10 Indian applicants for patent and scientific research and development innovation. Number 1 is at the CSIR. Number 2 is the SAL Institute. Number 3 is the DRDO. 4th is the Indian Institute of Science. Aditya Birla. Top 10 Indian applicants from academic institute and university. First one is the Indian Institute of Technology, Chandigarh University, Shuri University, MIT University. And top 10 foreign resident applicant is the Qualcomm, Samsung, etc. Where we are lacking basically, what is the need of the intellectual property for our country? In our country, India, approximate 52,000 patent applications filed per year. United States of America, 8 lakh. China 10 lakh, Japan 3,44,000. Now you can see the difference. In 52,000 patent application, approximate 75 to 80% application filed by the multinational countries. Means you can say that ki 130 crores population में approximate 15 to 20,000 application ऐसी होती हैं जो इंडियन एप्लीकेंट फाइल करते हैं. इसमें से 50% फर्जी होती हैं, बोगस होती हैं, कॉपीड होती हैं. Even they are not properly drafted their patent application. This is the reason of the cancellation of their patent application. Application filed by the Indian applicant state wise means how many patent application filed by the Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Haryana, Gujarat, Punjab. Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu has filed maximum patent 497 and 2000. Means 2 to 3 states filed 50% of the patent application of our country. Gujarat, Punjab is 660, West Bengal 522, Haryana is 507 only. In 507 applications, all the institutes are including, all the universities are including, all the MSMEs including, all the national institutes is also including. Means you can say in 507 application, all the application filed by the Indian applicant is included, including industries, including MSMEs, including universities also. Now you can see where we are lacking basically. This is the copy of the Indian patent certificate. You will get such type of certificate after the completion of your process. This is the website of the Government of India, ipindia.gov. You will get all type of information related to the intellectual property on this website. This software is patentable, yes or no? As a software cannot be filed for the patent application because this is the subject matter of the copyright. Because this is not an invention as per the Indian Patent Act. But if your software is connected some with hardware, means some hardware is run by some software, then you can apply by the patent application because any tangible form is running by that software. Then you can approach for the patent application. Is software is patentable in USA? Yes or no? Yes, in USA, software can be filed for the patent application because they will consider software as an invention like other inventions. So this is the reason in most of the software company file their maximum patent application in United States of America. Our business method is patentable in India? Yes or no? Business method as such cannot be filed for the patent application. The reason is this. What is the reason? This is the basic reason. अगर आप कोई प्रोडक्ट सेल कर रहे हैं ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म, दिस इज नॉट एन इन्वेंशन. दिस इज द रीजन. रूल्स एंड मेथड फॉर डूइंग ए बिजनेस आर नॉट बी रिगार्डेड एज इन्वेंशन. This is strategy, but maybe this is a novel method, but this is not fulfill the criteria of inventive style. So business method as such cannot be filed for that. What is the business method? Like most of the companies now, they are selling a drugs molecule like 1 mg, Medfee. These are the companies selling their product online. But you can't apply for the patent application. But in other countries, most of the business method is considering as an invention. So this is a balance act. How to help the other people who can sell their products online with the help. So this is a balance act. Suppose if they are going to give a monopoly rights to some person, then nobody is able to sell their products by the similar platform. There are 30 forms for the patent application. There are 30 forms for the patent application. Form 1 is for the application for grant of patent. Form 2 is for basically provisional specification, complete specification. What is the difference between provisional specification and complete specification? Suppose if you have some idea, some hypothesis in your mind, like suppose if you are going to develop some new strategy and you are thinking to file a patent application and you are thinking to working on that things, so then you can apply the provisional specification. Provisional application, you don't require to submit your claims in your application. You have to just submit the simple application to the patent office, and patent office will give you a patent application number, and your idea will be blocked for 1 year. You have to submit your complete specification within 1 year from the date of the filing of the provisional specification. If you are not able to file your complete specification within 1 month, then your patent will be considered as a abandoned or revoked, cancelled, because you are not able to submit your complete application on time. Then form 3 is the statement and undertaking. Form 5 is the declaration as inventorship. Then you are the true and original inventor of that thing. So this is our 30 forms for the patent application. What is the fee structure of the patent application? Suppose if you are going to file a patent application as a natural person or startup, then you have to submit only 1600 rupees for the online application. For online offline application for the large entities, rupees 8,000 for universities. Now government is India going to reduce the fees for the university also. Now you have to pay only 1600 rupees on the place of 8,000 rupees. Now you have to pay only 1600 rupees for the patent application. And for the early publication, you have to submit only 2,500 rupees. Earlier, it is 12,500 rupees. And for the request for examination, you have to submit only 4,000 rupees. Earlier, it was only 20,000. This is the useful element in patent document. Firstly, the title of the invention. What is the title of the invention is mentioned at the top of the patent office document. After that, inventor and location of the invention. Assignee. Assignee is the applicant who has the right of your patent application. Then assignee name is given there. Patent application number is also mentioned. Date of the filing also mentioned. Patent grant number and date of issue is also mentioned on the patent document. Portion of foreign patent cited as a reference is also given there. It is applied at the multiple countries. What is the stages of the patent application? This is very important to understand because most of the time people think that कि हमने patent application file किया, now it is a granted, but that is not a granting because बहुत सारे आजकल लोग देखा होगा आपने Australian patent file कर रहे हैं, but that is not examined by anybody. If you can read properly the certificate, अगर कोई चीज एग्जाम ही नहीं हुई तो ग्रांट कैसी? So this is just like a conference certificate, and you are attending and you are submitting something, and you will get a certificate on the basis of that. What is the stages of the filing of the patent application? Initially, you have to file the provisional specification and complete specification. You have to choose by which you are going to file a patent application. After 18 months, it will be automatically published at the patent office website. That is called the publication of the patent document. But if you don't want to wait for the 18 months, then you have to request for the early publication application. If you are submitting early publication fees, then your patent will be published at the patent office website within 1 month from the date of the filing. And then after that, you have to request for the examination. The request for the examination timeline is 48 months from the date of the filing. You have to submit the request for examination within 48 months from the date of the filing. If you are not able to submit request for examination within 48 months, then your patent will be considered as abandoned and cancelled. Then you have to submit after the request for the examination. Patent office will issue a first examination report, that is called FER. Patent examiner will issue first examination report. Then you have to reply all the objection raised by the patent examination first on the first examination report. If it is satisfied by your reports, then your patent will be granted. There are two types of opposition in the patent grant opposition: pre-grant opposition and post-grant opposition. Pre-grant opposition basically is the before the grant of the patent application. Means anybody can object you. Means that thing is already available in the public domain, and this is not fulfill the criteria of amendment step. This is the basic reason of the pre-grant opposition. And what is the difference between post-grant opposition? Post-grant opposition can be submitted by the only interested parties. Suppose if you are from the biotechnology department, only the person concerned to the biotechnology field can oppose you only, not any person. But in the case of pre-grant opposition, any person can object you. So what is the step required for the patent application? You have to collect all the information related to your invention on white paper, like area of the invention, discovery of the invention, how does it work, what is the advantage of the invention. You have to collect all the information on your white paper. After that, you have to draw drawings, diagrams, sketches on the white paper to understand the mechanism to the working structure of your invention. After that, you have to search your patentability aspects like novelty aspects, non-obvious aspects, and industrial applicability aspects of your invention. After that, you can draft your patent application. You can also draft your patent application because you have a good knowledge of your invention. You can easily understand. The better way to draft your patent application, you can download any patent document from the patent office website, and you can similarly draft your patent application. Avoid few words when you are going to file a patent application like all, few, some. These type of things cannot be used in the patent application. These type of words cannot be used for the patent application because what is few, what is some? You have to elaborate. You have to concern. You have to particularly given your exact data of your invention, not a few, some, and etc. After that is the publication of the patent application. This is already discussed that your patent application is automatically published at the patent office website within 18 months from the date of the filing. After that, if you can submit also early publication fees. If you are submitting early publication fees, then your patent will be published at the patent office website within 1 month from the date of the filing. Then you can also apply for the request for examination within 48 months from the date of filing. After that, you have to respond for all the objections. After clearing all the objections, your patent will be granted. This is the stages of from the date of the filing to the grant of the patent application. So what is the basic needs? Most of the time researchers, scholars ask me this question: how we can ensure that our patent will be granted? The best mechanism to check out your patent will be granted or not, the patent searches. If your patent search is good, then your patent will be easily granted. How to conduct a patent search? You have to identify the purposes of the search. you have to collect the necessary data to conduct the search. Like you have to find out the keywords, evaluate the search strategy, perform a search. You have to identify, modify that. There are few websites which are providing a databases of the patent site, like WIPO. WIPO providing a more than 70 countries patent office database are available at free of cost. You don't have to pay any charges for the patent searches at the WIPO websites. There are two types of literatures in the patentability: patent literature and non-patent literature. You also have to check the non-patent literature also, like scientific journals, magazines, literature, books, internet search. Means that thing is already not available in the public domain at free of cost before the filing of the patent application. There are few categories of the patent search. The most important is the patentability search. Basically, patentability search to check out the what is the novelty concept and the obvious concept. Means you have to check that thing is not available at the public domain, and that thing is expired or unexpired. Because if it is expired, then you can use for your research. But if it is not expired, then you can't use that thing for the commercialization of that product. You can use for the research only, but not for the commercialization purposes. You can check any patent, you can use any patent, but for the research purposes only, not for the commercialization purposes. Patent landscape is basically to identify the R&D scapes worldwide. What is the working? What is the basic updates on the some few products? Like you have to monitor some research and development worldwide. You have to identify the sport potential white space on the that invention. The patent landscape help you for such type of things. Freedom to operate such to if you are going to launch some new product in the market, and are you sure that that is not violating or infringing some one inventions or patent, then you have to conduct the freedom to operate search, basically to understand what is available in the public domain and what is not available in the public domain, which is free, available to free of cost, and which you have to take the license from that company. Like suppose if you are conducting a patent search of the edible neem oil and you want to file a patent application, then you have to identify what is the method of preparation of neem oil, what is the different solvent used for the neem oil, purification method. Basically, three mechanisms you have to identify for the patent search of the edible neem oil. Another one is the trademark. So if you have any queries related to the patent, you are free to ask me. Another parameter is the trademark. Then innovations and the patent are the directly linked to each other. So this is my basic observation. We are lacking in the field of intellectual property because we don't have any particularly invention which are going to file a patent application. Because most of the inventors file their patent application, but they not reach issue the grant of the patent application, because that thing is already available in some countries. That thing is already commercialized by some people, and that work is already done by somebody else. So when you're going to file a new patent, you must be ensured that it must fulfill the criteria of novelty, non-obvious, industrial authority, and that thing must not be available at the public level before the filing of the patent application. So this is the basic fundamental to get a patent rights. Trademark are granted for sign, words, letter of combination of the colors you can protect by the trademark, like any combination, any shapes. Suppose if you are going to start a new enterprise, if you are going to become an entrepreneur, you have some new product and you are developing some new product. Now you want to give some new name for that product, then you can get a help of the trademark. Trademark is basically sign, words, letter of combination. How to protect your trademark, how to get a new name. So we will discuss in our next slides. You will get a rights on the trademark for unlimited time, but you have to renew your brand name after every 10 years. If you are not able to renew your brand name after 10 years, then your trademark will be abandoned or maybe removed from the trademark history websites. There are 45 classes of trademarks. Suppose if you are going to sell some cosmetic products, soap and detergent, then you have to apply the trademark application class 3. For medicine, class 5. For medicine may covered allopathic, Ayurvedic, dietary supplements, all type of disinfectant comes under the class 5. Machine tools class 7. Suppose if you are going to sell some electronic components class 9, some lighting components class 11, food items class 30, and some milk products class 29. All type of garments comes under class 25. All type of tradings, like if you are going to sell some, you are purchasing some products from one person and you are selling to another person, then you can protect your trademark in class 35. Education services, all type of education services, university name, institute names, protected under class 41. Restaurant class 43, all type of restaurants, hotel services, protected under class 43, and all type of NGO services class 45. क्वेश्चन नोटिस, मार्केट में क्वेश्चन नोटिस आता है कि कृपया हमारा ब्रांड नेम नोटिस कीजिए, अगर आपने ऐसे किया देन लीगल एक्शन विल बी टेकन अगेंस्ट यू इफ यू आर गोइंग टू सेल योर प्रोडक्ट बाय आवर नेम। आप मार्केट में जाए आपको पानी की बोतल मिलेगा, आप ले लेंगे इसकी बोतल विदाउट लेबल्स, नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू परचेज, मींस वन लेबल कैन चेंज योर माइंड, वन आइडेंटिफिकेशन, दिस इज कॉल्ड ट्रेडमार्क। Any brand, any identity, even the spelling is different, then the question is arise about the quality of the product, the question is arise about the safety of this product. So but trademark does not represent the quality and safety of the product, it protects only brand name of the product. For the quality, for the safety of the product, you have to check out the other parameters like ISI, you have to check ISO. This is the simple parameters. Identify symbol, this symbol, everybody knows that this is symbol of Nike. It took 40 years to develop their identity in the market. Initially they are in rectangle shape, blue symbols with Nike, then people can identify on the basis of the mark, this product is belongs to the Nike. There are 4 type of trademarks. Trademark in which you are going to provide us products. Service marks like courier services, educational services. Collective marks like applied by the group of association like All India Management Association, All India Council of Technical Education. These all are the collective marks. Certification mark like ISI, ISO, wool marks. These all are the certification mark. Basically to check the particular certified products like ISO is the certified marks. Well-known marks like Mercedes, Reliance, Godrej, Tata. These all are the well-known marks. These all are the trademarks which are used 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. All brand names are protected by the trademark registry. So this is the example of the counterfeit products. Some company uses artistic work of the product. Like even the brand name is different, but if you are choosing some artistic work of the existing company, then this is also a trademark infringement. You can't use any outer appearance of the device for the another packaging. Even the brand name is different, but this is a trademark infringement. Okay, and only even you can protect the shape of the goods also. How it look like, the shape of the goods also can be protected by the trademark. Even if you can see the font is also similar. Okay, and only this is the direct case of the infringement. Suppose if you are going to launch a new product in the market, this is the case of the Jaipur. They are selling a, now you can see the shape of the bottle is also similar. Only one alphabet is there, N, fruit in. They said that they are selling a fruit drinks. Obviously, fruit it means fruit is inside it. They are justified their experience to the court. But this is also a case of the trademark infringement. Bisleri, Bilori, this is another example. Medzone. This is very important to understand, basically for the layman also. Most of the time, people can take a medicine by the similar brand names and the molecule is different. Same brand name, different molecule and different company. Suppose doctor is prescribed you Medzone 200 and that is for the allergic preparation Itraconazole 200. And suppose if you are traveling to some another place and you are asking the chemist to give me a Medzone, but you are not aware about the chemical name. Suppose if they are giving a same brand name Medzone, but they are selling a Isomeprazole or Albendazole. Now you can see there's a lot of difference between them, but there's a lot of difference of the uses of the Itraconazole and Isomeprazole. This is used for the allergic preparation. This is used for the gastric problems. Now sometimes it's a life-threatening also. So this is my request to all of you: when you are going to purchase a new medicines on the basis of the brand name, you must be ensured which chemical you are taking, because chemical name is nowadays very important. So this is the reason government are awareing the people for the generic medicines. The generic medicines mention their chemical composition also. Even government has also announced that chemical name is in a bigger font and the brand name is must be in a smaller font. We seek to aware the public which molecule they are used for their treatment. Copyright dress protection. You can protect any outer appearance of the device, like how it looks like this is the pattern is also protected by the trademark as well as for the copyright protection. Parle-G. The shape of the goods revital. This is also protected by the trademark. The label of the Tropicano and this label is also protected. Iodex. This color combination is also protected by the trademark. How to select a trademark? This is very important to understand. How to select, how to choose a new product name. The name should be easy to spell, easy to pronounce, like Sony, Tata Lines. You may point some new word also, like Kodak and Delta. As such, there's no meaning in the dictionary of Kodak and Delta, but you can join some few words and develop a new pronunciation of the word. That thing can be filed for the patent trademark application. Marks should not be according to geographical name like Ludhiana Steel, Chandigarh Salt. You can't get a monopoly rights for such type of things. Avoid this type of words which describe the quality of the goods like best, perfect, super, poor, super. This is the generic words. Everybody is perfect. Everyone is perfect. Everybody is super, premium, pure. These all which describe the quality of the goods. We can't apply. Number one, we can't apply for the monopoly rights for such type of words. This is the procedure of the trademark registration. Initially, you have to search the trademark. After that, you can submit your trademark application by online mode as well as through the offline mode also. For online submission, you will get a 10% discount for the trademark application filing. Either after the filing of the trademark application, your patent will be accepted or objected. Objection may be due if you are some phonetically similar brand name available at the trademark office website, then your trademark will be objected. And your trademark will be accepted if there is no similarity related to your trademark. After the acceptance of your trademark is published at the trademark general websites. For the opposition, if somebody has some problem with the trademark, then they can oppose you that to aware the government that this brand name is similar to our brand name. You don't have right to give no clearance to such type of persons. So there is a provisions of opposition also in the trademark also. This is a copy of the trademark registration certificate. After the completion of all the process, you will get a trademark registration certificate. Then this brand name is belongs to you only. You can also search yourself also any trademark. You have to enter your class name, class number. There are 45 classes of trademark. Like suppose if you are going to use your brand name for the trading, then you have to enter class 535. For medicine class 5, then this is for the trading. ALNA is the for use for the pharmaceutical companies. ALNA Nutraceutical, ALNA Biotech, ALNA. This is a company located in the Chandigarh. Like suppose if you are going to trademark application for the product name, like ALNA is also applied for the product name. Like if you can see, both the applicant is same. Jagdish Singh in class 35 and Jagdish Singh in class 5. They have registered. This is the molecule name. ALNA is ALNASEF. They are selling a cefixime. They use ALNASEF. This is for the methylcobalamin, ALNACO. Sometimes people use adding some word after the completion of the word. Like NextVita is registered by the Praveen Sijaji and NextVita is just a new brand name. Discipline is class 5 for the medical. This is the trademark search report for the class 5. Suppose if you are searching a trademark brand name for discipline, then you will get a trademark search report like this. For medical surgical treatment, if you are searching a brand name by the some containing a word medical, then you will get a such type of reports. For hospital, class 44. So this is all about the trademarks. The government fees for the trademark application is 4,500 rupees. If you are a natural person or small entity. For large entity, the government fees is 9,000 rupees. If you are submitting your trademark application through online mode. For offline mode, if you are submitting, then your fees is 5,000 rupees for online mode, offline mode, and 10,000 rupees for the offline mode. Industrial design. Industrial design in some countries say that skip patent design patent. But in our country, India, this is called as industrial design. The design used for the industrial purposes. This is called industrial design. Industrial design means you can protect any shape, configuration, any ornamental feature, any outer appearance of the device with the help of industrial design. You can protect any shape, you can protect any configuration, but it does not represent any technical feature of the product. That must be clear. Means this is a technical feature. This is a technical feature. This is also a technical feature. You can't protect by the industrial design. You can protect only outer appearance of this is a technical feature also. You can protect only outer appearance of the device. Suppose if you are going to protect technical feature, then you have to apply the patent application. This all are the example of the industrial design. Consumer products, packaging containers. You can protect any packaging container with the help of industrial design also. This is, you can protect any outer appearance of the device. Pharmaceutical products. This all are the example of the pharmaceutical. Shape of the vial. Shape of the syringe you can protect with the help of. Suppose if you are developing some new type of shape of the syringe also you can protect with the help of industrial design. You can protect any new type of vial shape also with the help of industrial design. Textile and jewelries. PP jewelers, jewelers, they can protect their device shapes. What is the criteria of design registration? The design must be new and original. You can apply any new design registration, any original design registration for the everybody knows that this is a symbol of hand and foot. But nobody can see such type of chair in the market. This is the chair design. You can protect for the industrial design. Even the purposes of the design is maybe same, but the article shape is different. For you can apply for the shape of the goods. You can also apply for the shape of the goods for the mineral water bottle. This is the certificate of the design station. Everything is same, engine is same, shape of the goods, but the shape of the goods you can protect by the industrial designs. For the किसी भी कार का डिजाइन सेम होता है बिकॉज ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन, किसी भी प्रेशर कुकर डिजाइन सेम होता है बिकॉज ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन, किसी भी कंपनी के रिस्ट वॉच का डिजाइन सेम होता है बिकॉज ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन, किसी भी एसी के जो आउटर अपीयरेंस होता है उसका डिजाइन सेम होता है बिकॉज ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन. दे कैन प्रोटेक्ट एनी ऑल द आउटर अपीयरेंस बिकॉज दिस इज एन आइडेंटिटी of their company. You will get a monopoly rights for 10 years initially, but you will get a extension for your design also for 5 years also. But after 15 years, you can't renew your design registration. Few things cannot be filed for the industrial design like calendars, maps, label, religious symbols. You can't apply for such type of thing like ink, om, ekonka, flags, emblems, shape of the any particular construction of the goods. Even you can't apply for the any architecture building for the industrial design. Where we are lacking in our country, India, approximate 6,700 design application filed per year. China 1.5 lakh, Korea 1.5 lakh, Japan 75,000. You can apply multiple type of IPR protection in single product also. Like this is the example of the Dyson Airblade. This machine is used for the hand sanitizing and hand drying. You have to insert your hand like this in this machine, then your hand is automatically sanitized and dried. This technology is protected by the patent rights. Shape of the good is protected by the industrial design. Brand of this product is protected by the trademark, and the literature of this product is protected by the copyrights. Means you will get a multiple type of IPR protection in a single product also. And you can also protect your technology by the trade secret also. In our country, mostly MSMEs use this type of fundamental trade secrets. But as such, there is no law in our country to protect the trade secrets. You can protect by the labor law, you can protect by the any other law, but directly as such, trade secret has no law in our country. Copyright, this is the last right. Copyright are granted for musical work, artistic work, dramatic work, cinematography work. आपने कोई poem लिखी, आपने कोई गाना गाया, आपने कोई different type की painting की, you can protect with the help of copyright. Basically, the expression of the idea in written form, in material form, you can protect by the copyright protection. As such, there is no official for the protection, but you can also take a help of the government of India to show it that you are the original first author for the that rights. There are two types of rights in the copyrights: moral rights and economic rights. Moral rights to protect the personality of the authors, and the economic rights to protect the economic benefits of the authors or the publishers. In moral rights, you will get the rights of authorship, digital manipulations, but you don't have rights for the display. Suppose if you are singing some new songs for some company, but you don't have a rights कि आप कहीं पे जाके उसको गाना गा रहे हो, because the rights has belongs to the that company in which you are going to write. Suppose अब जब एक गाना तैयार होता है उसमें एक राइटर होता है, एक लिरिक्स होता है, एक म्यूजिक कंपोजर होता है, but the rights belongs to the that company which they are going to show telecast your song to the some platforms. They have full rights. Means rights belongs to the that is a different right of performance. Performer is different, but the commercial benefits goes to the economic benefits goes to the music company which they are going to launch their product in the market. If you are using someone else's product for the copyright, then you will get a minimum fine of rupees 50,000 to 2 lakh rupees, and imprisonment is 6 months to 3 years. So be careful when you are using someone XYZ person material for their purposes. What is the fair use? This is very important to understand to the research scholars, to the teacher. What is the fair use? Can we use some type of new invention for the research purposes? Can we use material for the study purposes? Can we use some material for the criticism purposes? You can use any material for the research purposes, review purposes, study purposes, criticism and education purposes. That is available at free of cost. You don't have to take permission from anyone. Geographical indication basically to protect the collective rights of the particular regions area. Basically, it protects the manufactured goods, agriculture goods, and horticulture goods. This is the basically popular geographical indication of India. Basmati rice, Mysore silk, Mysore sandalwood, Mysore jasmine, Kolhapuri, Darjeeling tea, Tirupati laddu. This is the famous example of the geographical indications. Trade secrets basically already discussed with you. To protect the undisclosed information, few things cannot be filed for the patent application, as we discussed in section 3. Few things cannot be filed for the patent application, but you want to protect your invention, then you can protect by the trade secret. Like for Coca-Cola formula is protected by the trade secrets. because if they are going to file a patent application, then they will get a right of 20 years, and after 20 years anybody can manufacture same type of techniques of the Coca-Cola process, but they are going to protect by the help of trade secret. But there is some few drawbacks of the trade secrets. Suppose if your idea is disclosed to some person and your technique is disclosed to some person, then you can't claim for the monopoly rights after that, because that is available at the free of cost. So this is the important information related to the IPR. There's one organization, World Intellectual Property Organization, DL101, General Course of IPR. They are organizing a 1.5 month for the 1.5 month IPR training program. They are providing a certificate also. If you are completing this diploma, then you will get a general knowledge of IPR. This is totally free of cost. You have to apply at the website www.wipo.int. And there is another scheme, Department of Science and Technology, Bharat Sarkar हर साल 120 women को train करती है in the field of intellectual property rights, how to write a patent, how to draft a patent, and even you get a scholarship for after, if you are from MTech, 30,000 rupees, and if you are a PhD, then you will get a scholarship of 40,000 rupees. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, you are free to ask me.
Thank you, Dr. Rahul. I must say that the entire concept of IPR was put in such simple words, with the examples which anyone can see in day-to-day lives. So it's literally remarkable that you are able to explain the entire concept, which people are doing training for like months, in so simple words and in such a defined timeline. Thank you so much for this lecture.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Any question?
I really acknowledge Dr. Taneja for you, because I had already listened from the Northern India that if you like to get a fast and the comprehensive workshop, then Professor Dr. Taneja is the best to make students understand within an hour that exactly what IP is. So I have one query only just to motivate the students, because there are a lot of MTech and the master students are over here. They do the dissertation, they are working on cell lines, they are working on diagnostic kits. So when we talk about the Global Innovation Index, so how this young generation can contribute to increase the Global Innovation Index of India, because it's a very big thing. When we talk about Taiwan, we talk about Germany and US, so they are the hubs. You see, you have already shown us a very beautiful data of the comparison about design registration. It is a very brief thing. Here,
Yes.
our people are making designs and they distribute, and they, even if you talk in terms of the designing of fabrics, our country is known for the number of designs. But when we come to science, they are doing a lot of Jugaad technologies, but never proceed for the design registration. Even there are a lot of students which do different type of the hit and trial method for the running of a PCR, or running the, or setting a column for the purification. So though we are using a standardized product of Biorad and other, but can you give them little bit of the some points which they should consider at this level, catch them young?
Thank you so much, sir, for asking such a good question. I have one request to all the students, especially to master degree and PhD. आप एटलीस्ट एक पेटेंट फाइल करें अपनी लाइफ में, एटलीस्ट एक पेटेंट फाइल करने का बेनिफिट क्या होगा मैं बताता हूँ. अभी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया आपकी फीस रिड्यूस करने वाली है. मैं कहता हूँ पेटेंट भी आप खुद ड्राफ्ट करें, क्योंकि जब तक आप खुद नहीं करेंगे आप सीखेंगे नहीं. आपको मैक्सिमम अब 80-100 रुपीज पे करने पड़ेंगे फॉर द कंप्लीट प्रोसीजर फॉर द पेटेंट एप्लीकेशन. आप पेटेंट एप्लीकेशन फाइल करेंगे तो आपको कम से कम ये आइडिया हो जाएगा कि आपकी इन्वेंशन एग्जिस्ट कहाँ करती है और वर्ल्ड वाइड उसके ऊपर कितना काम हो रहा है. पेटेंट ऑफिस आपको एक रिपोर्ट देगा. अगर आप उस रिपोर्ट को सेटिस्फाई कर देंगे, जस्टिफाई भी कर देंगे, तब भी आपका पेटेंट ग्रांट हो जाएगा. सपोज करें आप सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर पाते, जस्टिफाई भी नहीं कर पाते एग्जामिनर को, आफ्टर दैट इन पीएचडी दैट विल हेल्प यू फॉर द फर्दर रिसर्च. आपके पास एक रिपोर्ट आ गई कि यहाँ तक रिसर्च हो गई है, हमें इससे आगे रिसर्च करनी है, एक डॉक्यूमेंट आ गया. इवन व्हेन यू आर सर्चिंग सम न्यू प्रोडक्ट, सम न्यू टेक्निक्स, तो आपके पास एक रिव्यू लिटरेचर तैयार हो जाएगा, एक रिव्यू पेपर लिखने के लिए कि ऑल इंडिया वर्ल्ड में कि इसके ऊपर कितना काम हुआ, कितने साइंटिस्ट ने इसके ऊपर काम किया. दैट इज कॉल्ड लैंडस्केप रिपोर्ट. कितने कंट्रीज ने इसके ऊपर काम किया. अब मान लीजिए कुछ ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी है, मैं MSME से स्पेशल रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि ऐसी बहुत सी टेक्नोलॉजी है जो एक्सपायर हो चुकी है, जिसको 20 साल से ऊपर हो चुके हैं, जो आप फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट यूज कर सकते हैं. आप उसको फाइंड आउट करें. अब यहाँ पर आप अमेठी गुरुग्राम में कई बच्चे ऐसे होंगे जो काफी इंटरनेट में अच्छे से काम करते होंगे, तो आप फाइंड आउट करें, आप ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी का एक पोर्टल बनाएं और इंडस्ट्रीज को वो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में दें या चार्जेस पे दें। आप कहें कि हम आपको एक ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी देंगे जो आप देखिए माइक्रोस्कोप जो है पिछले 20 सालों से 15-20 सालों से हम वही माइक्रोस्कोप यूज कर रहे हैं, एडवांस तो आ चुके हैं, लेकिन स्कूल्स में हमें वही वो पुराना सा घिसा पीटा सा एक माइक्रोस्कोप सिखाया जाता है। उसके अंदर इन्वेंशंस कहाँ पर आई? जब मैं अम्बाला इंडस्ट्री क्लस्टर से बात करता हूँ कि सर चाइना से सस्ता आ जाता है, यहाँ से सस्ता नहीं आता, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम पीपल कहते हैं कि हमें चाइना वाले ज्यादा कर देते हैं। क्यों करते हैं? बिकॉज दे पीपल हैव इन्वेंशंस, दे पीपल हैव टेक्नोलॉजी, दे पीपल हैव पेटेंट्स। आप कंपैरिजन करें उनके पेटेंट का डाटा हमारे पेटेंट के साथ। वर्ल्ड की सबसे मोस्ट इनोवेटिव कंट्री कौन सी है जिसकी पॉपुलेशन 50,000 या लाख तक है सिर्फ, और हमारे पास 130 करोड़ पॉपुलेशन है? देन वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट दैट। वो कब होगा? जब हमारे यहाँ पर मास्टर डिग्री के और पीएचडी स्टूडेंट के बच्चे पेटेंट फाइल करेंगे। पेटेंट फाइल करने इसलिए नहीं फाइल करना कि हमारा ग्रांट हो जाएगा, ग्रांट हो जाएगा तो अच्छी बात है, बट द फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट कि हमें सीखने को बहुत कुछ मिलेगा कि पेटेंट फाइल कैसे होता है, उसको एग्जामिनेशन कैसे होती है, उसकी रिपोर्ट कैसे आती है। आप सब चीजें खुद करें, आपको पेटेंट एजेंट की हेल्प लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको जस्ट 80-100 रुपीज पे करनी है। उसके बाद आपके पास अब आजकल ऑनलाइन हियरिंग होती है, आप खुद बैठ के सेटिंग, ऐसा नहीं होता कि कुछ चीज डिफिकल्ट होती है। आप जब 2-4 पेटेंट डाउनलोड करेंगे ऑलरेडी जो आपसे आपकी इन्वेंशन से रिलेटेड है, तो आप ड्राफ्ट भी कर लेंगे। जब आप इतने पबमेड में इतने डिफिकल्ट जर्नल्स में पेपर पब्लिश कर लेते हैं, तो मुझे नहीं लगता पेटेंट फाइल करना आसान होता है। मेरे को लगता है कि पेटेंट फाइल करना आसान है, पबमेड में पेपर पब्लिश करना मुश्किल है। पर्सनली आई बिलीव दैट।
Exactly, this is absolutely true.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है पेटेंट फाइल करना आसान है, बिकॉज हमारे माइंड में इंडिया में एक फोबिया है कि ये सर सरकार देगी ना तो टाइम लगाएगी, बट गवर्नमेंट हैज चेंज नाउ। पर्सनली आई बिलीव दैट कि मुझे अराउंड 12 इयर्स हो गए, जो चीज पहले 7 से 8 साल में होती थी, नाउ विल गेट ए पेटेंट राइट्स विद इन 1 ईयर। इवन की 3 मंथ्स के अंदर भी पेटेंट ग्रांट हो जाते हैं अगर आप अपनी फीस प्रॉपर टाइम पे सबमिट कर रहे हैं। अब वो वाला टाइम जा चुका है कि जहाँ पे हमें वेट करनी पड़ती है। ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने भी कितनी बार कहा है कि हमारी कंट्री को, स्टूडेंट्स को रिसर्च में तभी आगे बढ़ेंगे जब वो पेटेंट फाइल करेंगे। वो अब कितनी बार कह चुके हैं। उन्होंने हमारे गवर्नमेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के लिए, प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के लिए फीस भी रिड्यूस कर दी है अब, कि आप जो फीस हमें पहले 41,000 फीस पे करनी पड़ती थी, अब वो रिड्यूस हो गई ओनली 8100 हो गई है। 8,000 रुपीज़ में आपकी पेटेंट में, जिसकी एग्जामिनेशन फीस भी है, जिसमें अर्ली पब्लिकेशन फीस भी है और गवर्नमेंट फाइलिंग फीस भी। आई थिंक मोस्टली बच्चों का भी पता नहीं है। वैसे तो आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी को अवार्ड भी मिला है, बट मैं चाहता हूँ कि अभी भी हमारी कंट्री में बहुत कम पेटेंट फाइल होते हैं। अगर आप देखें पिछले 10 से 12 साल में, पिछले 5 से 10 साल में सिर्फ 50,000 के अराउंड पेटेंट फाइल होते हैं, जिसमें से भी 35,000 मल्टीनेशनल कंट्रीज फाइल करती हैं। फिर हम कहते हैं कि फॉरेन कंट्री से हम ले रहे हैं। सॉरी टू से दैट देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस बाय मेड इन इंडिया, मेड बाय इंडिया। पर मैं चाहता हूँ मेड बाय इंडिया हो, नॉट मेड इन इंडिया, बिकॉज मेड इन इंडिया मीन्स टेक्नोलॉजी हम किसी की यूज कर रहे हैं, हम सिर्फ बना रहे हैं, वी आर लेबर। बट अगर मेड बाय इंडिया होगा देन वी आर साइंटिस्ट, वी आर टेक्नोक्रेट्स। तो अब हम इस चीजों को मार्केट में लॉन्च कर सकते हैं। और सेकंड थिंग, जैसे आपने आज एक लेक्चर रखा आईपीआर का, एक लेक्चर रखो आप एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का। संजीव कुमार जी हैं एमएसएमई के डायरेक्टर, मैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट कर लूंगा, वो आपको बताएंगे कि इंडस्ट्रीज खोलने के लिए एमएसएमईज क्या हेल्प करती हैं, एक उद्यम रजिस्ट्रेशन बनता है उसको आप कैसे बना सकते हैं, एक स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट क्या होता है, और एक साथ में रखिए सर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट। बच्चों को पता होना चाहिए कि हमने अपनी नई फर्म कैसे खोलनी है, प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, प्रोप्राइटरशिप, पार्टनरशिप में क्या डिफरेंस होता है, बिकॉज टाइम हैज चेंज नाउ। मैंने ऐसे बहुत सारे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स देखे हैं अपने लाइफ टाइम में कि जो कुछ भी नहीं होते थे और विद इन 2 to 3 ईयर्स में उनके पास एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप करके उन्होंने काफी पैसा कमा लिया। एंड सेकंड थिंग, आपने जो डिजाइन की बात करी, अब डिजाइन क्या है कि हमारी कंट्री में लोगों को अवेयरनेस ही नहीं है कि डिजाइन कैसे हो सकता है। फॉर डिजाइन यू जस्ट हैव टू सबमिट photographs from 360 degree angle and the government fees is only 1,000 rupees. अदरवाइज आप अटर्नी की भी हेल्प लेंगे तो आपसे वो मैक्सिमम 5 to 10,000 रुपीज लेगा और आपका डिजाइन सर्टिफिकेट ग्रांट करके देगा। द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन इज दिस पेन। अब आप देखिए ये कितना फेमस पेन है, स्पेशली इन गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स। दिस इज प्रोटेक्टेड बाय द इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन। लग्जर का पेन है, रेनॉल्ड्स का पेन है। और रेनॉल्ड्स पेन की आप हिस्ट्री पढ़ेंगे, दैट इज जस्ट फेमस बिकॉज ऑफ देयर आउटर अपीयरेंस ऑफ द डिवाइस। व्हाइट कलर और ब्लू कलर का कॉम्बिनेशन क्यों था? क्योंकि मोस्टली स्कूल्स में और कॉलेजेस के अंदर व्हाइट कलर की शर्ट्स होती है और ब्लू कलर की पैंट होती है, उसी कलर कॉम्बिनेशन से उसने वो यूज किया। मतलब दिस इज द थिंकिंग ऑफ दैट पर्सन। अगर आप रेनॉल्ड्स की, रोटोमैक की हिस्ट्री पढ़ेंगे, उनके सक्सेसफुल होने का रीजन यही था कि उन्होंने अपने डिजाइन को यूनिक किया। हॉकिंस का प्रेशर कुकर आता है, प्रेस्टीज का प्रेशर कुकर आता है। अब अब आप हॉकिंस पे खाना बना रहे हैं तो उसकी शेप ही एक अट्रैक्टिव मिलेगी कि हाउ इट लुक लाइक्स, तो उसमें आप उसका इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन ही फाइल करेंगे वो, लेकिन उस किस तरीके से वो मैन्युफैक्चर किया गया, कौन सा मटेरियल है, दैट इज प्रोटेक्टेड बाय द पेटेंट राइट्स. बट नाउअडेज यू कैन आल्सो अप्लाई फॉर द आउटर अपीयरेंस ऑफ द डिवाइस. पीपल कैन अट्रैक्ट बाय द आउटर अपीयरेंस. आप देखिए जितनी गाड़ी आती हैं, आप देखिए डिजायर के अंदर भी वही इंजन है, और रीड्स के अंदर भी वही इंजन है, मारुति की बहुत सारी गाड़ियों के अंदर सेम इंजन होता है, बट पीपल कैन अट्रैक्ट बाय द आउटर अपीयरेंस ऑफ द डिवाइस कि हमें जी रीड्स अच्छी लग रही है दिखने में, हमें इग्निस अच्छी लग रही है, लेकिन इंजन इज सेम. Means outer appearance for the mechanical students, for the even in the case of biotechnology, if I can say that, pharmaceutical के बहुत सारे, जब मैंने काफी सारे लेक्चर किए, अब आप मानेंगे बहुत सारे मास्टर ऑफ फार्मेसी के बच्चे आते हैं जो सिर्फ आउटर अपीयरेंस को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. जैसे हम मतलब लेबोरेटरी में कोई काम कर रहे होते हैं, वहाँ पे एक प्रॉब्लम आती है कि हम इसका कितना ml सोल्यूशन मेजर करें, वो एक स्केल वाला बीकर बना कर ले आए स्पेशल टाइप का, जिससे आइडेंटिफाई होता है कि उसमें कितने ml वाटर रह गया है. So such type of design we can protect by the industrial designs. Then we have to think about that. You must file, आप डिजाइन फाइल करें. मैं आपको बताऊं भारत सरकार में आपके डिजाइन की प्रोबेबिलिटी ग्रांट होने की 95% है. जब आप MSc करेंगे बायोटेक्नोलॉजी से या PhD करेंगे, तो आप किसी कंपनी में अप्लाई करते हैं तो आप कम से कम वो ये कहेंगे कि इनके पास एक IP राइट्स है, आपके पास डिजाइन के राइट्स हैं, आपके CV में ऐड होगा और एक कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड होगा कि आपको IPR की बेसिक नॉलेज है. You must apply for the design and you must apply for the patent also. पेटेंट में आपको, अगर आप PhD कर रहे हैं तो आपको एक आइडिया मिलेगा, आपको रिसर्च को फाइंड आउट करने का, आपको न्यू इन्वेंशन को फाइंड आउट करने का, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी को फाइंड आउट करने का, तभी हमारी कंट्री का ग्लोबल इनोवेशन इंडेक्स बढ़ेगा. अदरवाइज नॉट पॉसिबल सर, क्योंकि हमें स्टूडेंट्स को ही अवेयर करना पड़ेगा.
नहीं, really there are words of wisdom to motivate the young. अभी स्टार्टअप इंडिया, स्टैंड अप इंडिया प्लान यही था कि स्टूडेंट्स को इस स्टार्टअप से स्टैंड अप किया जाए.
There's
स्टार्टअप
one
इंडिया,
question.
one question you can
लोकल
ask.
फॉर लोकल, आत्मनिर्भर भारत, ये सभी की है, बट स्टूडेंट्स को समझना होगा हाउ टू प्रोटेक्ट, हाउ टू फाइल सच टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स.
Ma'am, you can ask.
Yes, sir. So there's a question in which it is asked, is there any age limit to file a patent as an innovator?
Is there no age limit? Is there no qualification?
No
जैसे अगर आपने
qualification.
कोई मकान लेना है तो उसकी कोई, अगर आपने कोई घर खरीदना है तो उसकी कोई एज नहीं है, उसकी कोई क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं है. सिमिलरली लाइक पेटेंट राइट्स, दिस इज द रीजन. आप मानोगे हमने हरियाणा में जिनके पास जो 10th पास किया, जो अनपढ़ लोग हैं, उनके भी पेटेंट फाइल किए, बट उन्होंने कुछ ऐसी टेक्निक की अपने विलेजेस के अंदर कि एक जैसे वाटर प्यूरिफायर उन्होंने डेवलप किया था, वो उनका माइंड का आइडिया था और नॉलेज थी उनके पास, तो हमने उनका पेटेंट राइट फाइल किया, उनके एप्लीकेशन पे हमने अंगूठा लगवाया. Now you can see.
The curiosity basically.
क्यूरियोसिटी, अंडरस्टैंडिंग, क्योंकि उनको बेसिक फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल पता है कि ये किस तरीके से वर्क करेगा, उसको टेंजिबल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किया. हालांकि हमने पेटेंट उनका खुद लिखा, हमने हाथ से लिखा, लेकिन उन्होंने रात में शाम को एप्लीकेशन पे सिर्फ अंगूठा ही मारा और वो ग्रांट भी हो गया. इवन यू कैन सी सो मेनी एप्लीकेशन इन हरियाणा आल्सो. आप देखोगे बहुत सारे आजकल क्या होता है कि लोगों के मकान नीचे हो जाते हैं, सड़कें ऊपर हो जाती हैं, तो वो घर को ऊपर उठा देते हैं, लेंटर ऊपर उठाने की टेक्निक चल रही है. दिस थिंग इज इन्वेंटेड इन हरियाणा ओनली, और इसके ऊपर IP फाइट चल रही है.
वो चेक लगा के करते हैं, जो
चेक लगा के करते हैं,
नंबर ऑफ चेक्स लगा.
मेरे को याद है कि अभी मेरे पास आए, वो 2005 के अंदर पेटेंट फाइल हुआ था, और दूसरे जो एसोसिएशन के लोग थे, जो सिमिलर टाइप के मिस्त्री थे, उन्होंने कहा कि सर ये काम तो हम बहुत सालों से कर रहे हैं. तो पेटेंट ऑफिस किसी IPR का उन्होंने लेक्चर सुन लिया होगा, वहां से उन्होंने पेटेंट फाइल किया और भारत सरकार ने उसको पेटेंट ग्रांट भी कर दिया. कमाल की बात देखो आप. तो उसके बाद उनकी एसोसिएशन ने गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को अपील की कि सर ये जो टेक्निक यूज कर रहा है, ये बहुत पहले से यूज की जाती है और हम लोग बहुत पहले से यूज कर रहे हैं. तब उसके बाद जाके भारत सरकार ने उसका पेटेंट कैंसिल किया. उसके बाद कोई भी पर्सन वो टेक्निक यूज कर सकता है और वो लेंटर ऊपर उठा सकता है. ये जो टेक्निक है बेसिक, आप नाउ यू कैन सी कि इस तरीके के लोग भी पेटेंट फाइल कर रहे हैं और उसको रोकने के लिए लोग भी आगे आ रहे हैं. दिस इज अवेयरनेस, दिस इज कॉल्ड अवेयरनेस.
Great, sir. Thank you for the real practical and the realistic examples that you have shared with the students. You see that exactly there is no age to innovate, and we are really grateful to you on this innovation week. And we started off with the lecture on innovation and IP from you. And definitely, we promise that by the before the closing of the semester, we will definitely take a talk from the technopreneurs that you have suggested to us.
And
We will do it with the
also,
DST. Amit, you can.
And as promised, we will also arrange another lecture for the entrepreneurship,
Yes, sir.
which Dr. Taneja will help us in organizing, getting that person. And
That we will do a workshop with the Haryana DST, sir.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
Definitely.
we can go for like faculty development program or something like that first.
Exactly, and then one student session for the technopreneurs.
Yeah.
Amit, you can offer the vote of thanks. Also.
So thank you so much, Dr. Taneja, for such a nice and simple talk. Because for me, patent word itself was like too much. I was never, whenever some person said that we can patent this or that, I was never interested. But seeing your talk, now I am much more motivated, frankly speaking. Because it was so simple, and you have given some examples of day-to-day life, that how different things can be patented, design or technique or anything, and using the simple examples from our daily use. So yeah, it motivates us and also the students also. And thank you so much for such a nice talk, and we will be in touch, and then we will look forward for your help in organizing this entrepreneurship talk, which will be the next series, we can say. And thank you all the students and participants, and thank you panelists for spending your time here. Thank you so much, everyone.
We are desperately waiting to meet you in your office.
Thank you, Amit sir.
And Taneja ji, we are desperately waiting to meet you and Gupta ji in office soon. So let us wait when the letter is going to come for Panchkula.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank
you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Sincere gratitude, sir. Thank you.
Admin, please close the session.
Yes.